Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Bud Light and cigarette. Okay, we're gonna get back down there again, and we'll see more of this island. Okay, so we're just gonna drive down, and I'm gonna just flip around the station so you can just get a sense of it. Sometimes I like doing that when I travel, because each city kind of has its own, or each place has its own type of music that it plays on the radio. So okay, search. That sounds like island music too. Okay, let's see what else. I like that. I'd probably come back to that. Give Yourself Away. Okay. It's like a remake of a U2 song. Haven't heard this before. I don't know if it's a new one. Sounds good though. I like it too. I don't know if this is come back to that too. I don't know what it is. I don't know what kind of station it is. I never heard the song, so I can't really identify it as. It's cool though. Okay, let's see what else. Yeah, I like this too. This is unfamiliar to me. Oh, this sounds really beautiful though.
To All Things Considered.
All Things Considered. Okay, this is the NPR station that I mentioned earlier. Oh, I got good music here too. Dang, let's just save that one too. Although it's easy to get back to them again. This is your generic pop one. One. There's a Please. Or slow down. I think I'm only allowed to go like 15 miles per hour, so. Okay, this one is like kind of hip hop reggae or something. Oh no, it's a remake of Marvin Gaye. Oh, it's kind of funny, right? They got a Marvin Gaye remake and a U2 remake. Let's see what else they were playing here. It's pretty good too, though.
Visit any iTunes store or ite.net to learn more.
Sharp turn. It's funny the police came all the way up here. Because the street is basically one way and you have to go back down again.
How do you want it? I'll take a book club.
Subway commercial? There's only
8 people are dead and dozens of others are injured.
the news.
More than 700 passengers were safely evacuated after a train got stuck in monsoon floodwaters between 2 stations near Mumbai today.
Oh, this is funny. It's not funny, but it's like interesting because this is like talking about something in India. But you know, here we are in Saipan, but I've heard there's a lot of like Indian and Pakistani and just, you know, people from Asia in general that come here to live, try to get American passports too, you know. So it's funny that they would have a news like that. This was back to the quarry that I already went to, so I don't want to go back.
Support for NPR comes from this station.
I think that's the quarry.
And from Babbel, a language learning app that teaches real-life conversations using speech recognition technology and voiced by native speakers. Daily 10 to 15-minute lessons are at Babbel, B-A-B.
Oh, it's funny. Language, because this. Actually, when I went to some of the hotels. Sorry, there's a lot of Filipinos that speak English, but there's some of them that just can't speak anything. They don't really know anything. Like I went to some hotels and there's a lady, I think maybe Chinese, maybe, or dialect of Chinese, but she did not know what I was saying. So like I didn't know what she was saying, but she was trying to speak in English. But she was like, "This no street, that street. I don't know that hotel." Like she didn't know where my hotel was, but this island is small. Okay, that's more news.
Rodent-infested mess are earning condemnation from Democrats and others. The president said in
Baltimore, okay.
quote, has been a brutal bully, shouting and screaming at the great men and women of Border Patrol about conditions at the southern border, when actually his Baltimore district is far worse.
I don't want to change your channel, but
his district is considered the
let's
worst.
change it now. Oh, a lot of bikers. So I think I just went through all the stations already. Is there music again?
No spoilers, but there's a tasty twist.
Tasty twist, okay.
Cheddar bread and guacamole.
Cheddar bread and guacamole.
Subway, make it what you
Subway,
want.
okay, another Subway commercial.
Limited time only.
I think there's only a couple of fast food restaurants here, so I think it's McDonald's, Subway, and I think there might be even a KFC, and I think there's one Taco Bell because I looked it up to see. I'm gonna try to find that in a little bit. Okay, so that's basically the radio. Try to kill the pain. This sounds a little bit countryish. Okay, so I think maybe we might let's see what else there is to see. So I'll turn this back off and then turn it back on later when. Okay, we're coming back down. I want to listen to the song. Like a tamaru. I always pronounce it chamaro. It's actually shamaru. Kangaroo, shamaru. Yeah, I didn't think it was pronounced like that at all. Shamaru. Dang. Earlier I was talking to a guy in the airport, and he's from Saipan, so I said the word chamaro, and yeah, he didn't respond to that. He didn't really know what I was saying. Then later he had maybe the same word that we just did just now. Shamaru. I think he said shamaru too. Okay. Anyway, it's kind of interesting. Here it comes again. Here's the chorus. Oh, beautiful. I like that song.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,